Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. For those of you guys that are new here, hello, my name is Tice and what do I do on this channel? I do all different kinds of stuff on this channel, from recipes to hair stuff. So yeah, if you're into all different kinds of stuff, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and you'll see all different kinds of stuff here every single week. But for today, we are going to be reviewing and using the Hot Tools. Yes, I know I've done Hot Tools many of times, but this one is a little bit different. Now, it has been out for a very long time. I just never got it because I didn't think I needed it. The difference with this Hot Tools is it is much longer. So does it say here? So it's extra long curling iron. So those of you guys that see my past videos, you guys know I did a lot of hairstyles using this Hot Tools curling iron. Okay, so this one is pretty old. I had this for at least, oh my god, I would say over 5-6 years, and it's still going strong. It still works amazingly. But we are gonna be, for the first time, using this bad boy. I just took it out of the box and it is currently heating up. As you can see, it's super shiny compared to this one that's been used a lot of times. So the difference is, let's see, they both look the same. They both go to extra hot. This one does say it goes to 430 degrees, and let's see the height difference. So there is the height difference right there. Every time I try to do beach waves with this curling iron, my curls come out super tight because of the length of my hair, and I'm trying to wrap it around this little amount here. It ends up coming out tighter than I want it, but that's not a bad thing. That's not a bad thing. That's not a bad thing, because by the end of the day, it drops out and it turns out into very beautiful waves. But for today, I'm gonna see if I can create it with this long thing here and try to space it out and see how this comes out. See, other than that, everything is pretty much the same, except the fact that it is extra long and there's a rotating cool tip. Oh, okay, so I guess you can hold here and it rotates. And be careful because this thing gets really hot. Let's see what else here. Yeah, everything else is pretty much the same. So without further ado, let's get started with making this beachy,
not summer, not fall, not winter,
but all year round type of curls. Just because a lot of people call it summer beach waves, no, you can use this whenever, wherever you go. So yeah, we're calling it the whenever beach waves. Okay, so first you want to go ahead and make sure you get all of your tangles out of your hair, because that's not a good thing. And I already went ahead and I sprayed heat protectant before this. I actually want it to completely dry before I start curling my hair, only because, you know, I'm afraid of the sizzle and the smoke and all that kind of stuff. Right now I have it set at 400 degrees. It does go up to 430 like I said. Next, let's go ahead and section off our hair. I'm gonna work from the back bottom all the way up. So let me go ahead and section that off. And bring yourself a good clip to get all the unwanted hairs out of the way. Alright? Okay, 1 second. Okay guys, so this is how I'm gonna be sectioning off my hair at the bottom. As you guys can see, it's medium size, not too thick, not too thin. You don't want it too thin, else you're gonna get too much curls. What I'm gonna go ahead and do is grab maybe this much. Okay, I don't know if you can see how much that is. It's just this much, not too much, not too little. I guess I'm gonna rotate this. The first one I'm gonna curl away from my face, next is towards my face, then away from my face, so on. So I'm gonna work on this side, and then work my way up. So let's go ahead and get this. Now I am not gonna use this clamp. Oh look, it doesn't squeak. My old one squeaks just because there's a lot of hairspray on it and stuff, so this one does not squeak. So let's go ahead and get this. Face this part downwards here. Go ahead and wrap it up. Leave your ends out. Leave it on for, I would say, 5-6 seconds, and then drop. I like to kind of hold it in my hand like this to kind of cool it down, to let it set just a little bit, and then drop it. Oh, that's not too bad. So let's throw that in the back. Let that cool down. Grab your next section. So now we're gonna go towards our face instead of away from our face. That way all of the curls do not combine together and make one big curl. So put it down, wrap it towards my face. Hold it just like this. Let it go. Let it go. There you go. All right, so this one now is gonna be towards, away from my face. If you guys want to put the ends in there, go ahead. I like it with more of that tousled look, so it doesn't look so perfect. And then drop it. There you go. So we're gonna throw this behind. Now let that on that side set while we work on this side. We are gonna be doing the same exact thing. You know, to be honest, because my hair is so long, I'm finding it way easier to do this. It gives me a lot more room to wrap my hair around the barrel. And it feels a lot safer too. Like, I don't feel like I'm gonna burn myself. So now this one is towards my face. This one's gonna be away from my face. See how quickly this goes by? And I utilize the entire barrel as much as possible, just so I can get those long curls instead of those tight curls. Okay, now this one's gonna be towards my face. Oh man, there you go. So now I'm gonna go ahead and bring the next section down, then the next section down, and then to the top section. So I'm gonna fast forward this part, and just to let you guys know, so far at the bottom section, it was so much easier than working with this little, you know what I mean? Like when I'm here, I only have to wrap it here, and sometimes I overlap it, and the curls don't come out even. With this, it's almost impossible to overlap it unless you purposely overlap it. But this is so much easier. I'm not lying, it is so much easier. So let me go ahead and continue this. I'm gonna bring the next section down and work my way up. So let's go ahead and speed this part up. Hey guys, so I just did that second layer, and just to let you guys know, it only took me almost 3 minutes to do. That's how quick it is for me using this long curling iron, longer barrel versus the shorter barrel. So again, little less than 3 minutes, which is amazing because I normally take way longer than that. And I'm letting everything cool down right now in the back, and I'm not gonna show you guys until it is done. So let me go ahead and bring down the next section. Okay, you guys, so that was the whole entire process right there with curling my hair. I'm gonna go ahead and turn that off.
Don't forget to turn off your hair appliances. You don't want to catch a fire.
But anyways, that was the whole entire thing. I timed it. It took me about 6 to 7 minutes. It's not that bad at all. Super simple to use, just because you're not using this clamp and you're not trying to make super tight curls. It might look tight right now, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and run my fingers through this, and I'm gonna break it up, kind of make it look a little bit more tousled and messy instead of curls like this. So I will be right back. Okay guys, I am back. So what I did was I flipped my head over, kind of zhuzhed it. Is that the word that you would use? I zhuzhed it and ran my fingers through it, and this is what it looks like. Don't you guys love it? This is all my hair, no extensions, I promise. All my hair. But the reason why I like this so much is because the curls go all different ways, so it's not uniform, you know what I mean? And it makes my hair really soft. I don't know if because the iron is brand new, but it makes my hair pretty soft. And yeah, so this is what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys this hair slow motion in full view in front and back. So check this out, you guys. Okay guys, so there you got it. This is my review on this extra long barrel for the Hot Tools curling iron. If you guys liked it, please give me a thumbs up. Ask me any kind of questions or drop me any kind of comments down below. And if there's a tool that you've seen out there anywhere and you want me to try to use it and test it out, please let me know what it is in the comment box, because hey, you know what, you never know, I might go out there and I might get it. But yeah, so other than that, I give this a 5 out of 5 stars. It works perfectly. It makes me feel like I have a lot of hair, which I kind of do, but it makes me feel like I have even extra hair, which is an A+. And yeah, so don't forget to subscribe. I'll be posting videos every week, and you guys know already. If you guys do know, or if you guys don't, let me tell you again, I do hair videos, cooking videos, vlogs, and some other trinkets in between, and you'll just have to wait and see. And you guys, don't forget to hit me up on social media. Hit me up on my Instagram. I have my Instagram link right here, or not link, but my name right here, and I also have it linked in the description box below. Other than that, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you guys next week. All right, you guys take care and see you later.